is so common to get such error in your WordPress website. Let us see how to solve. I try to refresh and the same error. First of all, we will log into our cPanel. We will log into our cPanel. Then we will look for a file manager. After looking for a file manager, we will go to a public HTML. Then here it says a maintenance, so we will delete this maintenance, and let us check. Fine, it's working now. So we can solve such a problem easily in this way. Thank you.